Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter in an itinerary in SAP Concur. An itinerary is what you'll put in towards the beginning of a report. And what it does is note when you left and came back from your destination on your trip. And the purpose of this is for Concur to calculate the nightly per diem for your meals, as well as your nightly lodging rates. So you have either of those, you'll have to put in an itinerary. So once you start your expense report, you'll put in your header, then you'll click next. And that's when it'll ask you if your trip is going to contain travel per diem. So that's meals or nightly lodging. I'll say yes for this example. And will be greeted by this window here. And what it wants is 2 legs of your trip. So your departure and then whenever you return. So our departure city, I'm going to put Nacogdoches. For the date of me leaving, I'm going to put I left on the 23rd. And the time, we're going to say 8 a.m. for this example. And then what it wants to know is when did you arrive at your city? So in this example, I'm doing Reno. And note that the date here is not whenever I returned. Again, this is whenever I arrived. So I left Nacogdoches on the 23rd. And I'm actually arriving in Reno on the 23rd as well. So let's say I arrived at 1:30 on the same day. You're going to go ahead and click Save. Concur wants at least 2 lines here. So we have the 2, Nacogdoches to Reno on the same day. Now we want that return trip. So we have here that we left Reno, Nevada. And let's say we left there coming back on the 24th. Our time that we left, let's say 2 p.m. for this example. And we got back at 8 that night. And again, you'll notice it's the same day. So we left on 23rd, we came back on the 24th. You'll go ahead and click Save. So this is the very least that Concur wants is 2 lines. So you can't submit your report unless you have 2 lines here. The 2 and then the return. Again, if you have more stops, you would add more legs to this trip, but most trips will have these 2 here. We'll go ahead and click Next. Here you can confirm it. If you ever need to come back and edit it, you can click here, edit your itinerary. And click Next, and you will review the meals for those 2 days. So if you had any that were provided, you'll click it to remove them, and it'll calculate it for you. Then you'll click on Create Expenses to finish. You'll see my meals came here. And I can go ahead and enter in my lodging at this point. If you ever need to go back and change it, maybe you just put 1 line or it's giving you some sort of trouble, you can just go to the top here to Details. And go in here to either New Itineraries or view your available itineraries and edit it there. Thank you.